We have some real challenges in terms of legal aid, and the gentleman to my immediate right who sit in judgment will tell you that the incidence of unrepresented individuals is increasing, not decreasing. And that has some real implications for the speed with which proceedings can occur and what takes place in a courtroom.
I think it's fair to say that judges feel at times that a sizable portion of the public misunderstands what we do and why we do it. And sentencing is the lightning rod for that kind of reaction. And just on the soft on crime criticism, remember as well that, of course, all we are talking about in the media are a small percentage of cases that attract attention. But the vast majority of cases decided by judges, the many thousands every year, no appeal is taken from them. No criticism is launched about the sentence that was given, because in 98% or 99% of the cases, there's nothing controversial about what was done.
We in the Vancouver Police Department have not advocated for minimum sentences, but what we have said is that when there are incorrigible long-term offenders who have conviction records of 30, 40, 50, or over 100 convictions, that long and lengthy record and the demonstration that they're incorrigible and that they, as some judges have described, their crime machines, they begin committing crime the minute that they are released. There is no point in putting them in a provincial institution for a few months to protect the public, that they do need to be sentenced for longer, they do need to be incapacitated and maybe even get some help during a lengthier sentence.
My frustration is the sense that there has to be some better way in which to integrate and connect the individuals, those that are appearing before the courts, the offenders which you speak of being the prolific offenders, in those involved in those types of criminal activities. And there is a number of programs which have demonstrated that when you provide for the basic necessities in terms of homelessness, when you address the issue of homelessness, that there are positive results.
The sort of cases that you're talking about do not come to the Court of Appeal. They're cases that would be typically dealt with in the provincial court. My feeling about these cases in general is that they're not legal problems, they're social problems. We've got people stealing because they're hungry, or they're stealing because they have a drug habit, or they're committing other property offenses for the usual variety of reasons. And that variety is underlain by poverty, lack of education, and disadvantage.
This is something that we've been doing for a while now, and I come out here on Saturdays once a year to do this because I think it's a terrific opportunity for anyone who wants to just drop in to hear from and ask questions of and get into discussions with some of the most senior people in our criminal justice system. Senior judges, senior police officers, they put in their time on this Saturday as well because they're interested in answering your questions.